Scott, Captain, Los Angeles Fire Department. At 1:34 p.m., the Los Angeles Fire Department responded here to the 300 block of North Vermont Avenue in the, what would you call this, Rampart area? Yeah, Rampart or East Hollywood? Let's go Rampart. So at 1:34 p.m., the Los Angeles Fire Department responded to the 300 block of North Vermont Avenue in the Rampart area of Los Angeles. When we arrived on scene, there was a 3-story older center hallway apartment building with 2-story residences over 1 story of commercial, and fire was showing on the top floor, rapidly spreading throughout the attic. They quickly called for additional firefighters to arrive who were strategically placed. They were able to, fortunately, get a complete extinguishment or a knockdown by 107 firefighters in 32 minutes. And fortunately, no one was injured. The cause of the fire remains under active investigation by the LAFD Arson section, who is on scene right now, combing through debris, talking to witnesses, and looking at burn patterns to determine exactly what sparked this weekend blaze. Fortunately, no firefighters were injured, and fortunately, due to their aggressive efforts, no one was injured, civilian or firefighter-wise. So a total of 107 firefighters were able to fully extinguish the flames in just 32 minutes. They had a very aggressive firefight on the interior. They also laddered the building, were able to perform vertical ventilation with chainsaws to open up the roof, and simultaneously work together to ensure that they had a complete extinguishment. Additional firefighters went through every floor and did a systematic search to ensure that no one was inside, and again, we're happy to state that no one has been injured.
What caused the fire?
The cause of the fire remains under active investigation by the LAFD Arson section, who is on scene per protocol.
When you say vertical ventilation, what does that do?
Sure.
That's what you do first thing when you show up.
Right. When the first arriving firefighters arrived on scene, they quickly realized that they had a large 3-story pre-1933 residential building with 2 stories of residences with multiple units, and that was over a commercial building on the first floor. So they certainly had the potential for people to have been injured. So they had to have a very aggressive interior fire attack using hand lines to call through that dark, smoky environment to find the seat of the fire and to extinguish it. Now, simultaneously, the vertical ventilation was performed by firefighters on the roof. So they laddered that building, they brought up their chainsaws, they cut holes on the top of that roof, and that releases all of that gas and heat, makes the interior more tenable, and allows those firefighters to find the seat of the flames very quickly and achieve a knockdown or full extinguishment, which they were able to do before anyone was injured.
Is there anyone living in those apartments?
I'll have to find out for you. Let me find out. I just walked on scene. I'll see if it was vacant at the time and see if we have the total number of units. That'll take a minute to calculate, but I'll be right back. Thank you, guys. Okay.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, the commercial, I don't know yet. We can't figure that out quite yet.
Any reason to believe there's transients inside, or was that any like
That's
sort of
a possibility in many vacant buildings throughout Los Angeles.
Yeah.
That is yet to be confirmed.
Okay.
get me in that?